First, slice the onion into nice thin petals. Then, dice the bell pepper into small cubes. Heat up a heavy-bottom pan and add a drizzle of oil. Sauté the onion and diced pepper just until they start to soften. Now add the peas, olives, hearts of palm, and tomato sauce. Give everything a good stir. Pour in the vegetable broth. Season it with Perfeito All-Purpose Seasoning. That's Perfeito, by the way. The aroma already smells amazing. Bring it all to a gentle boil. Lower the heat, keep stirring, and slowly sprinkle in the cornmeal. This way, we avoid lumps. Stir until everything is smooth and well combined. Then turn off the heat. Mix in the chopped parsley for a fresh touch. Grease a bundt-style pan with oil. Arrange slices of tomato and boiled egg along the bottom and sides. This will make it look beautiful when we unmold it. Spoon in the cornmeal mixture gently so the decoration stays in place. Press it down firmly to remove any air pockets. Then refrigerate for about 2 hours to set. Carefully unmold and serve chilled. There you have it, a gorgeous, savory Paulista-style Brazilian couscous.